Hi there, students. Rowdy, an adjective. Rowdily, an adverb. Rowdiness, the quality. And I guess you could even have a rowdy, a person. So, rowdy is an adjective. It means noisy and disorderly. Yeah, unruly. So, the students were rather rowdy today, and it was very difficult to calm them down. Yeah, the meeting was very rowdy, but at least it was good natured. Yeah, it was a bit riotous. And then a rowdy, somebody who's noisy and disorderly, maybe a troublemaker. So, yeah, the landlord accused us of being rowdies and said if we went on making all that noise, he'd make us leave the pub. Yeah. Yeah, the police were called because of a rowdy party that was going on next door. Yeah, I also always think of rowdiness in parliaments. Yeah, where they are arguing very loudly, yeah, in a very unruly way. I think also if you say rowdy, it means noisy and maybe even possibly violent. I think rowdiness breaks over into violence really quite often, yeah? Rough, disorderly, shouting, noisy, causing a disturbance, disorderly. Yeah, so there was a large group of rowdy football supporters who were drunk after winning the match. Yeah, teenagers can be pretty rowdy. Yeah, the children were playing rowdily in the playground, boisterous, riotous, disorderly, very boisterous. Okay, so rowdy. Yeah, when people get drunk, they get a lot rowdier. Rowdiness is very often a result of having a few drinks. Okay, so rowdy behavior, rough and disorderly, rough and unruly. Yeah, a rowdy could be a bit of a hooligan, a yobbo, something like that. Okay, so yes, he's always complaining about his rowdy neighbours. They're noisy, they're always making a lot of noise, uproarious, disorderly. Yeah, this is the opposite of calm, tranquil, and something like that. Okay, so this is, I think, normally in classes, maybe 11 to 12-year-olds are the rowdiest classes. Yeah, for a teacher sometimes it can be very difficult to calm down rowdy students. Yeah. Okay, so rowdy, somebody who's rough, they're quarrelsome, they're disorderly, they're making a lot of noise. Yeah, you sometimes at night you can hear the rowdies going home from the disco or from the pub. Yeah, so rowdy. Maybe a hooray Henry is rather rowdy. Let's see. As to formality, I think I would give this a 5 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, well, it comes from this word arow, to have a row. Yes, it's written R-O-W, row, but it's pronounced row. And that's why rowdy, not roady, but rowdy. Okay, so a group of rowdy supporters. The demonstrators were very rowdy, and it looked like the police were going to have to intervene. Yeah, just calm down, calm down. Don't be so rowdy. Yeah, all this rowdiness will disturb the people around you. Okay, so yeah, disorderly, undisciplined, unrestrained, difficult to manage, uncontrolled, disruptive. When something gets out of hand or out of control, it's a bit rowdy. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Rowdy, rowdily, rowdiness.